mathematician. I was born on 22nd December 1887 in Tamil Nadu. My father's name was Pupuswamy Srivagan Aingai and my mother's name was Pumala Tamal. From a young age, I showed a deep interest in mathematics. I solved several problems without any formal training. I made several discoveries in number theory, infinite series, and mathematical analysis. My work amazed mathematicians around the world. In 1913, the British mathematician Godfrey Harold Harvey recognized my talent and invited me to Cambridge University. Though my health was weak, I worked hard and made incredible contribution to mathematics. After some years, I returned to India in 1919. I passed on April 26, 1920 at the age of just 32. Though my life on earth was short, my journey has inspired people in the world. Today, my birthday is celebrated as National Mathematics Day in India to honor my achievements. And that is my story. I am Srinivasa Ramanujan, a man who turned numbers into magic. Though my life on earth was short, my work lives on forever. Remember, mathematics is not just about numbers. It's about imagination, creativity, and